Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Spinach demand just got a health glow up, and this quick econ question is really testing whether you know what higher demand does in perfect competition. The health report makes spinach sound more valuable, so consumers want more of it at every price, which means market demand shifts right. That is the big first move here. In the short run, firms cannot instantly flood the market with huge new capacity, so stronger demand pushes the market equilibrium price upward first. Watch this. Price clearly rises. Since firms in perfect competition respond to higher market price by producing where price equals marginal cost, existing firms raise output, so option A wins. Well done, option A. Scan now. Do not flip the signs or rush. Trust the given health report and check each market step.